Teachers of Reddit. What are the new student groups replacing the ones? Emo, goth, drama, etc. that used to be a thing when you were attending school. My nephew is 14. Him and his friends all listen to hip-hop, ride four-wheelers, play sports, and grow mullets. Never thought of it before, but it always seems like my 504 students tend to gravitate to one another. I'm an English teacher from Germany and I actually had my students write texts on this subject a few months ago. From memory, most mentioned groups were football players, gamers and horse girls. Not a teacher, but I've noticed an increase in furries in my school. Mostly it's just the vapors, who try to get away with their habit in the bathroom, and the non-vapors, who sometimes rat him out. The "I want to become a YouTuber, influencer" students. Hot Cheeto girls I've recently learned is a thing. TBH, here in Ukraine there were barely any groups like that to begin with. But now everyone's a gamer. So there's that. Pause for Nicolas Cage. Zomboners. Mechanics. Snapchat brews. Irishman. Elon Musk clones. Post-punks. Pinko commies. Young Republicans. DDLG LARPers. Metal fetishists. And comic-cons. The sportos, the motorheads, geeks, sluts, bloods, wastoids, dweebies, dickheads. Eshe. In my observation, the groups have just dissolved. It seems like people sort of just mingle with everyone. There are still the nerds, but they seem to be popular. For some reason, all of the boys are going for big dirty mullets at the moment. I thought it was a localized thing, but I was talking to some teacher friends and it's happening too. Their schools too. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.